Whether you are somebody that's at home all the time or you're on the go, this can be perfect. Okay, what's else? Okay, there's this here. Back and I'm better than ever. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Libien Becker Health. Today I've got a special system to show you. It is called the Harambe system. I've been wanting this for the longest time. I've just never been able to get it. But let me tell you this, if you're somebody who just wants to find that perfect setup for exercising, whether you are somebody that's at home all the time or you're on the go, this can be perfect because it is easy to set up, portable, and it gives you literally the equivalent of going to the gym using all the equipment you could use. Let me unbox it for you and show you what I'm talking about. But first, I actually had to get this because I ended up trying it on my own when I was at my aunt's place in Vegas, and I'll show you guys some B-rolls here. And I thought it was just absolutely the best thing, and I do not know why I never got it sooner because I'm constantly on the go everywhere. And because I don't really like going to the gym a lot, seeing this system, I just knew I had to get it because it's like the equivalent, like I just said, of having a gym. But instead, it's very portable and just has all the equipment you need all in one place. Let me unbox it. It might rain on me, so I might just do it all in the rain. But let me just unbox it here for you. It comes in this box. Here we go. I'm gonna start, they're all in a little pack like this. There's quite a lot. I actually got the full bundle system with everything included. And I'll drop the price down below, but for all of this, I guess I'll just say, actually no, I'm gonna wait, just in case the price might turn y'all off, but you gotta wanna see it anyways. This first is I'll just take everything out right now, then I'll explain each thing at once, especially with the paper. Hope it comes with it. This is the pole bar, the bar there. Trying to not let anything out because they'll fly away, the bands. And I'll unbox it more a little bit here. Oh, told ya. Quick as a toy. Look at that, camera stayed that with me. So here is the bar. It's good weight. I'm not sure exactly the weight. It feels good, very sturdy, stiff, strong. It's nothing cheap, for sure. Better not lose anything because there's quite a lot of little pieces. This is the bar. Let me go to the bands here. This here is the, I'm gonna put this away, I don't need it. I know, I'm not really safe with a knife. This is like it's a 38-inch bend. So this is this one, right there. For focus, yep, focuses. And then the yellow one. For a 38-inch band, this one's a 38-inch. No más, ¿qué más? Oh, uno más. See, this one's the big boy, right here. Same color band here. It's just telling you what to read so you don't be suing nobody. Okay. Obviously, none of my videos so far have been sponsors. I just really wanted this and I got it. Well, let me just say, I got this as a gift. Let me say that at first. This is for the bands, little hook straps here. Water resistant. See, save the planet, y'all. Don't let anything go. So those were the bars, little mini strap bars for the straps. What else? Oh, there was a white one. I missed it. It's the same one here, white here. A lot of bands. So this here is you'll see as I demonstrate to you what all of these are actually. But this is where the bar goes when you put it in between your legs or however the demonstration needs to be. And then this bag here, let me undo this bag now. I'm absolutely stoked to use this because it is literally everything I need because I have bands which I use, and what I'll do is just demonstrate everything I will be demonstrating here, but just at a better quality with this bar and just everything else included. Ropes that hook up to that, I assume. I'm gonna try and leave a lot of this stuff in here because the wind is blowing and super annoying. I know usually Florida there's no wind, but hurricane season's coming. There is 4 of these in here. 4. I might or might not demonstrate on the sand. I might have to go to a higher surface. Okay, what's else? Okay, there's this here. Gotta figure out where those go. So here's the pad you will lay on and do your stuff. I'm actually gonna move from I just wanted to be here to show you guys basically the water and the view, but I'm gonna go up there where there's land. Oh, look at this mat. This mat's nice. Cool. This is cool. Oh my God, look at this set. This is sweet. You know, I've seen other companies with a similar setup, but because this company was the first one I saw, and due to the comparison of the other stuff I saw, I thought this would be the best, so I'm trying it, and I think it's gonna be so. Didn't get a bag for it, which I will need to do. I assumed it came with it, but I guess not. But I can get a bag to put all of this in, and really the only thing that's bulky is this with some weight. It weighs something, I can admit that. It weighs something, plus this, it has some weight to it. I'll just have to figure out the whole weight or put it in the description. It's nothing you can't handle if you're just going for a walk. And going for a walk with this, you're going to exercise anyway, so might as well embrace that. Okay. I'm gonna go back to land. Pardon me, I'm also eating because it's my time to eat and I can't wait. And I've been waiting to this video for a while, so I'm doing it right now. Okay. Hi, hey, you're back. Oh, you know about the Harambe system? Heck yeah. Yeah, have you had it or tried it before? Oh, like, hey, you might as well stay around and check it out. I tried it out before with a family member, so I had to get it, so I ended up getting it finally. But yeah, right now I'm setting it up, doing a video about it. So say hi to the YouTube. Yeah. It's a pretty cool thing, yeah. Oh, for sure. Yeah, I'll let you try it out, matter of fact. Yeah. Oh yeah, I still have to figure some out myself, but I think I'll figure it out for the most part. Oh, thank you. This part goes on top. This wind might be very annoying. That